So, hi, dear Virgo, a very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is Journal You versus Them Current Energy Check In for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. This is just a timeless reading, and this is just current energy check in, okay? No timeline. So, yeah, we are good to go. The roles can be reversed also, please keep that in mind. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or consultation, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots and you can mail me, or you can mail me. Virgo, let's see on your side what we have. Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Let's see. We have the Chariot, the Page of Cups, and the Queen of Wands. You love somebody, don't you? You love somebody. Like physically, you're moving on, but in your heart and soul, you carry a lot of love and attraction and pull towards a particular person and situation. And you're quite determined that at some point of time, you're going to get back to them and you're going to win their love again. I'm saying again because you're trying too hard to move on from somebody, and at the same time you're so much in love with the idea of being with this person that you are feeling like at some point of time I'm going to win this person back in my life, no matter what, no matter how hard it is like right now, no matter how impossible it is right now, I will win them back over at some point of time. I know that it's kind of written in my destiny to be with this person. Even if they don't want to be with me anymore, I want them because I love them. They're kind of a love of my life. Although these cards are not telling about deep love. These cards are telling me the kind of pull, kind of attraction, kind of feelings you have for this person, and you're living in some kind of dreamland, la la land, where you can't just let this person go out of your dreams, out of your energies, because the idea of being with them is so beautifully crafted in your mind and so beautifully you are so beautifully attracted to this idea of being with this person. Then even if you're going to actually be with this person, you are just going to live in the la la land only. Okay. And according to you, you are going to make this work out no matter what. At some point of time, you will definitely do that. You feel like that. The energy attached to you, you are in some kind of fantasy land. We have the page Ace of Wands, Five of Cups, the World card. Wow. See, this is somebody around you. They are on a totally different venture than you are. They're out of this feeling sad about themselves all the time. They're out of this feeling depressed about their love and relationship area all the time. This person is exploring new option, new things, new passionate kind of energies in their life. Now, I'm not saying they are just fucking around and having fun all the time. What I'm trying to say is they're exploring their life to the fullest and they're over this painful situation that they shared with you at some point of time. And I don't think this person is as much attracted to the idea of being with you as you are. See, I don't see this person completely dismissing the idea of being with you, but right now they are on this energy of exploring their passions, exploring their life, and keeping their options open so that they can just explore good things, good situations, and good energies in their life. Instead of all focused about this situation, they're focused on their individual happiness. That is the point. And they are over this painful energy of sulking around, crying around, and making them feel like failure in love or relationship area all the time. Let's see for the connection what we have. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. Yeah, if you're a cross watcher. And if it's not resonating, it's not your story. See, this situation still have the potential to become something really big, really good in the future. But all you guys have to do is to sort it out, clear it out. Clear-cut communication, clear-cut understanding, a decision of making this work out from both the sides is required in order to make this situation work out. Now, I do see a potential in this situation to work out if both of you are ready. Okay, maybe starting with a friendship kind of a deal is a good idea. You have to come out of your la la land, and this person, the situation, have to give you another shot. That is the deal here. But this situation have the potential to something to become something really good in the coming future if you guys give it a shot with all of your heart and soul. Now, there is a thing known as free will. I don't know what the other person, other energy is up to. I told you, but they might or might not give you a shot. But if they are ready to give you a shot, this situation is having a brilliant chance to work out beautifully. Guidance, 10 of wands. You have to drop everything and everyone stressful that is stressing the hell out of you in any way in your life, so that you can be at peace and at ease. And then from that point of view, you can think about your life with a clear cut understanding, clear cut knowledge and energy of this is my what my path is, and this is what my heart is yearning for, and I'm going to follow this. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.